Thanks for tuning in. I am Isabel, the owner of Sanity in Chagrin Falls. Welcome to my home. I'm now doing live videos from my home, but I think it's kind of fun, a little different, mix it up a little bit. So what I've been doing, I'm still going into the store, I'm still shipping packages, accepting shipments, blah, 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 all that good stuff. But I do have some shipments coming to the house too. So what I did is I went in today, shipped some packages, and then gathered all the new goodies that we got so I can show them on here for you guys. We also put together some self-care kits by Zoya. So we have 2 self-care kits. They are available on the website because, I mean, right now we can't go get our nails done, and that is kind of something that a lot of us do on a weekly, every other week basis. So what we did was we put together a couple essentials in a self-care kit. So you can pick from 2 different kits. They're both $35. So it's really personal preference, whatever you choose to get in the kit. So those are online right now, and I'm gonna show you what is in the kits also. We've also been delivering a little Sanity. So our girls are driving around and delivering little goodie bags of stuff to like your family and friends. So you can go online and order it. It's $15. It's a great price point. It's just very easy to go and make someone smile. So we deliver it right to their doorstep. Still practicing social distancing. We never go in anyone's houses or anything. We don't even see anyone. So and then I do have new arrivals for you. So I have a couple items from 650, super excited about that. And if you've been paying attention to the website, we are keeping it updated. So still shipping for free, like always. The camo tanks, if you're familiar with those, we had those on pre-order and those are in right now. If you ordered one, it is on its way out to you. A couple cute tops. So I'll just start with some of our newest pieces. So the first one I'm going to show you, just uploaded it last night. I'm totally blanking on the name. It is by 650 though. It is on the very front page of the website. If you go to all products, it is on there. So this is a 1 size shirt. It's super cute, oversized. Anyone from an extra small to a large can wear this. It's slouchy, you can wear it off the shoulder too. I'll make sure to go on to and put the name of the shirt in the comments once I'm done with the video, because you'll still be able to watch this video later. It'll still be up. Has a great center seam down the back, and it has cute little, a very little baby dolman sleeve, and it's like a 3/4 length sleeve. This is super, super soft. So it's very similar to the one that I'm wearing. This is the Laney. This one definitely has some stretch in it, and it's just easy. It's easy to wear right now with a pair of leggings or a pair of joggers, and then later you can throw it on with a pair of shorts or a pair of jeans, do a cute little rough tuck with it, throw on a cute little bralette with it. It's just a very easy top, and it's one of those that you're gonna be able to wear from now until later and beyond. Loving this marble dye too. This is so, so cute and soft. If you're familiar with 650, it's one of our favorite brands. The one that I'm wearing right now, I just needed a little pop of something, pop of color, just to kind of brighten it up the day. And with the sunshine, I mean, this is awesome. So this is the Laney. I love the bright pop of color, and I'm just wearing it with black. I'm just wearing it with a black jogger, and it totally works. So we have some other great pieces too that I just uploaded on the website yesterday. They are pre-ordered, some really great graphic t-shirts. We also have some great sets coming too. So those will be here in about a week or so. With all the social distancing right now, it's kind of hard for a lot of the brands to ship as fast as they do, but we are still getting new arrivals. And everyone I've been ordering from, I've been checking first to see how fast they're shipping, when we can expect it. So I uploaded all those items on the website, sanitystyle.com. If you have any questions about how something fits too, I actually left a phone number, which is a number that you can directly contact me. You can text me. You can ask me any questions. So it's in the caption. This is another one. This is the Scully. We just got this back in. You guys were all asking for it. So this is the Scully by 650. It is a super soft brushed material. really soft and cozy. This is one of my favorite materials from them. Has a really cute silver skull on it, and skulls are coming back, and they are coming back with a vengeance. So it's like the lightning bolts. It's like stars were. We're seeing lightning bolts and skulls, and some of the stuff is so insanely cute. So this is the Scully by 650. This one is size small, medium, large. This is a small, just so you can kind of get a feel for it. I'll go ahead and try it on for you. That's gonna look really good over this shirt, right? Don't do this at home. Or don't do this in public, more like that. All right, here we go. Here's the Scully. So cute, right? So cozy. I love this one. Perfect for lounging. I mean, that's like what we're all about right now, is lounging, right? So that's why I made sure to order a bunch of sets. I ordered a bunch of great graphics, but it's all stuff that you can wear now and later. All right, what's next? Okay, let's do the camo tank. This is the Lonnie camo tank, and this is one of those that it is so hard to see what it really looks like on the pictures, but that's the best part about video, is I can give you an up close and personal view of this, and look at how cute that is. It has just like a very subtle little shimmer along the neckline, along the arms too. It is a really cute fitted rib tank. We have it in 2 different colors. So this is the beige camo, and we also have it in a green. Hopefully I brought that home. That is the worst part about it, because I have a hard time remembering anything. So I'm glad that I am remembering to bring stuff home. So this is also called the Lonnie, and then this is the green camo. And look at that fun little sparkle. This is gonna look great with a jean jacket over, with a cardigan over, or just on its own in the summer. So cute. Look at the back, great racer back too. And you can tell it's a ribbed, really soft ribbed material. Let's see. The next one, all right, girls, this is for going out. When all of this is over, and what is the first place you're going to? I know I'm going to a restaurant. I cannot wait to go and sit at a bar with my husband. Sit there, have a drink, have dinner. Where are you guys going first? Where's the first place that you are going once all of this blows over? And I cannot wait for it to blow over. I'm hoping everyone's is staying healthy and happy, and we're all confined in our homes, but luckily on a day like this we can get out. So I want to know where the first place is that you are going. So this is the Sherry. How perfect is this for a night out, a girls' night out? I just absolutely love this. It has a really stretchy body, and then this puff sleeve, guys, I'm telling you, this puff sleeve is so in right now. Has really cute detail too on the arm, and then it kind of bells out in the sleeve. So this is so cute. You can go online and see what it actually looks like, because this is not doing it any justice. But you can tell too that it has a really pretty polka dot in the pattern, or in the fabric. So this is really, really cute, especially with a pair of jeans. Throw it on with a cute little pencil skirt too. So fun. Cannot wait to be able to wear that again. One of my friends did text me today though, and she showed me a picture of her family friends in New York. It's a little bit of an older couple. They are so insanely adorable though. They dressed up for a date inside of their house. She wore a beautiful black dress. He put on a really nice suit, and they had a fabulous dinner, a little date night inside their house. And I just thought that that was such a cute idea. So what I did next too was I brought home some loungy shorts to show you guys. I don't think they're online anymore, but if you like them, just please feel free to reach out to buy them. They are all gonna be $15. So the first one I have for you is a leopard short. My little notes. It's a leopard short. This is the Sarah leopard short. Really easy, really casual. I love bumming around in shorts like this. The next one is the Melissa. This is the Melissa tie-dye. Melissa tie-dye I have in 2 different colors. I have it in this purple tie-dye, and I also have it in this rose tie-dye. So quantities are limited for these. They were a sale item, but I was like, wait, this is gonna be perfect. So I'm just doing these all for $15 for you guys. I have the Gracie in a large. I also have the Gracie in black, so lilac, black, and also this burnt orange. So if you guys are at all interested in those, just let me know. Either email me, DM me on Facebook, or just text me on that number that I left. All right, are you guys ready for the little goodie bags? Okay, so the first one I am gonna show you is the little bag of Sanity that we are delivering to houses. You can go ahead and place your order online, and then just in the notes, go ahead and tell us where you want it to go. If you want a personalized message, we can do that also. So it'll come in a little bag like that with the pink tissue. We're all about the pink now. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna hide this name because this was one that is getting delivered later. So it says, you have been delivered a little Sanity. Spread the love, girlfriend. So if you receive one, spread the love, deliver it to a friend that, you know, needs a little pick-me-up or needs a smile. These are just really easy, fun little goodie bags. So we include some stickers. Gotta love Willow sticker, right? We all miss Willow. It's so weird not being able to like have everyone in and petting her and loving on her, and trust me, she is missing it more than anything. You'll get 2 masks in there that are perfect for evenings, just relaxing at home, and a nail polish. And then we are actually out of these, but we are getting more back in, and we'll just throw in something else really fun in the goodie bag since we're out. It's a makeup eraser sample. So you get all those items in the goodie bag, and just pay it forward. Pay it forward to a friend, you know, that needs a little picking up, and trust me, it makes the biggest difference. So this little bag, it's $15. It's on the website, and we are personally delivering them to the addresses that you give us, obviously local. We can't go too far, but we are doing the best we can to like keep a smile on everybody's face. All right, so the last thing I have for you is the Zoya self-care kits. These are awesome. You can give yourself a manicure and a pedicure, all with these items. So the first one I'm gonna show you is the Smart Pods. Here, let me put it, there we go, Smart Pods. It is a 4-piece, it's a 4-step kit. So you get, here I'll show you, they're so cute. They look like Keurig pods. That's like the best part about it. And the scent is Lemon Dreams. So it's really fresh and really citrusy and so, so good. So the first one you get is a soak, and there's enough in here for your manicure and your pedicure. So there's a soak, there's a sugar scrub, there's a moisture mask, which, you know, everybody needs right now. We all need the most moisture we can get. And then a lotion, a luxury lotion. So in these little pods, there's enough for mani-pedi. And we have 2 different size kits. So those are both on the website. And okay, you get a nail file, which is one of Zoya's best nail files, is the Naked Manicure Nail File. So you file with one side, and then you have a fine file and a buff. So you get that in the kit. One of the kits also has the solid gold, which if you have not tried the solid gold, it is heaven for your cuticles. It is so awesome. It's a gel, soaks in really nicely, doesn't leave it greasy or anything like that. Use this a couple times and you will notice a huge difference in your cuticles. Another thing that is in both kits actually is the remover. It's a mini remover. This is probably, and I'm not kidding you guys, it's not because we sell it, this is the best nail polish remover I have ever used. Not only is it the best, it moisturizes your nails, which is unheard of, and it smells good. Like, it's crazy to say that a nail polish remover smells good, but it actually does. It smells like lavender. I always say, there was one time where one of the girls accidentally spilled some behind the desk, and I was like, oh my God, what smells so good? It was the nail polish remover. I mean, go figure. So you get one of those in the kits, and then you get 2, either 1 or 2, depending on the kit that you get, nail polishes. So I just brought like a little sample of our newest nail polishes. This is the spring line. And you know what? It's because the spring line is actually called Calm. So I hope that this brings a little comfort and a little calm to you. So those are all available on the website. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out, either with the phone number that I gave you, or an email that you can find on the website, or just check out the website, see what we have going on there. Items are still shipping every day, and God only knows we all need a little pick-me-up, right? All right, you guys, stay safe, stay healthy. I have more things coming this week, so you're definitely gonna see me again, and I will talk to you soon. Mwah. Bye, guys. Love you.